Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to adding Fortnite on Steam. To start, open Steam. At the bottom left, click on Add a Game and then click on Add a non-Steam game. You are going to wait for the default apps to load. After that, click on Browse. Here, go to the Fortnite path and in the Win64 folder, select the largest file. Click on Open. When you see that the file has been added, click Add Selected Programs. It is time to validate if everything turned out well. You are going to go to the library and select Fortnite. Here, right-click on Fortnite and select Properties. You can check that the shortcut is correct. Now you can click on Play to see Fortnite start loading through Steam. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.